Hi there. I'm Laura Johns, founder and CEO of the Business Growers, where we specialize in growing revenue for IT businesses all over the world. I'm thrilled to be leading a workshop titled How to Establish Omnipresence and Gain IT Customer Confidence at Channel Partners in Vegas on March 26th. Standing out in the channel is hard, and I'm proud to say I've helped countless technology companies in the channel go from being just another vendor to becoming a trusted IT authority. And in this workshop, I'll be sharing our proven framework for establishing omnipresence in the IT space. You're going to learn how to strategically position your brand across key touch points in today's B2B buying journey, from digital presence to personal outreach. And I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage things like video marketing, client testimonials, and thought leadership to build trust with technical decision makers in the channel. If you're ready to transform from a technical tech advisor to the go-to expert in your market, then be sure to join me at Channel Partners in Vegas on March 26th, where you're going to walk away with strategies to immediately elevate your market presence and outpace your competition. I look forward to seeing you in Vegas.